Sometimes you just want to start over without completely reformatting your macOS installation. This is specifically true if you are using your system for development. So uninstalling Homebrew is no different, and I'm going to show you exactly how simple it is. Once you're at the command line, uninstalling Brew is pretty simple. The first step is to actually go to the Brew site, actually their Git repo, and download the uninstallation script that they provide. Go back to your terminal, run that command, and hit Y for yes to confirm the uninstallation. Supply your password. Make sure you get it correct though. And then these files here, you can go ahead and delete those manually. So you can do, what I typically do is just rm-rf opt homebrew. And it'll go ahead and delete everything in Homebrew. What you want to do is apply sudo, and you should be good to go. So if you check there's nothing in there. That's all it takes. If you found this video helpful in any way, please remember to subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications of future videos from this channel. Thanks for watching.